Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for QQ. First, locate and download the official QQ application from your mobile device's App Store. Search for QQ and ensure you select the app published by Tencent. Once downloaded, open the application to begin the registration process. This foundational step is crucial for accessing QQ's diverse features, which include instant messaging and a wide social network. Next, tap the Sign Up or Register button, typically found at the bottom of the initial screen. You will then need to enter your valid mobile phone number. Make sure to select your country code correctly before typing your number. A 6-digit verification code will then be sent to this number via text message. Enter this code into the app within 60 seconds to proceed. After verifying your phone number, you will be prompted to create your unique QQ account details. Choose a memorable yet secure password, ensuring it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, select a nickname and upload a profile picture. You will also need to provide your gender and date of birth, which helps personalize your experience within the QQ community. Now, some users might encounter an additional verification step. This could involve having an existing QQ user scan a QR code to assist with your registration, or completing a real name authentication by providing identification details. Follow all on-screen instructions precisely. In some cases, you might even need to link a bank account or provide government identification for full account functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.